Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today we are going to become master chefs and discover the secrets of science. But before we begin, let's talk about what we want to accomplish. Today, we want to see if something can or cannot be changed back to its original state. To do this, we're going to apply heating and cooling to different objects to see if it can be changed back and have the same properties as it started with. First, let's go over the materials you'll need to science properly. We have a spatula, a hot pot, a pan, a clear bowl with an egg inside, an ice cube tray, a pot, and a bottle of water. Second, I want to review some key words in chant form with a wee bit of explanation. When I say reversible, you say go back. When I say reversible, you say go back. That's right, folks. Reversible means that an object can be changed back to its original state. When I say irreversible, there ain't no going back. When I say irreversible, there ain't no going back. Or in other words, irreversible means that an object cannot be changed back to its original state. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start by looking at what properties our egg has. It's round, shaped like an oval. It's brown, it's hard, and it's easily cracked. Remember, kids, when dealing with hot things, make sure to have an adult around, as nobody should get hurt while sciencing. Alright, finally time to cook some eggs. They look like they're in a liquid state right now. I wonder what's going to happen when I cook them on the hot pan. Do you think they're going to change? Are we going to be able to undo this change? Will this change be reversible? Who's hungry now? Our eggs have turned completely solid. Do you think we can turn them back into the liquid they originally were? Do you think we can get that liquid back inside this shell? This is a non-reversible or an irreversible change. The cooked eggs will never turn back into a liquid and will never get that liquid back into the unbroken shell. Let's observe another liquid, water. It's clear, tasteless, and odorless. I wonder if we can make a reversible change with water. If we pour our water into our ice cube tray and then freeze the water, the liquid water will turn into solid ice. Now let's melt our ice to see if we can make a reversible change and turn it back into the liquid water and get it back into the ice cube tray like it was before. Do you think this is going to be a reversible change? Whoa! That water is exactly the same as it was before. This must be a reversible change. Yes, sir, science has spoken again. This is a reversible change. When I froze our liquid water, it turned into solid ice. When I applied heat to our solid ice, we melted it back into a liquid water, making a reversible change. Boy, oh boy, do I sure love cooking. Today, we learned that things like water can be frozen and melted many times over and never change. This is called a reversible change. Well, eggs, on the other hand, when heated and cooled, cannot be turned back to its original state. This is called an irreversible change. Well, that's all for me. Thank goodness I have some ketchup to eat up that egg. All this sciencing has really worked up an appetite.